Fuck my network, man. Connection. I mean, I asked the phone for now. I'm so sorry. Somebody using a phone, man. Poor network. Pay for this network.
But I will maintain it.
Room. I say I get room. I get that live, no shepherd live.
I want to life.
I know shepherd live.
I pay. But it's never too late.
I'm
that thing.
My factory.
As I get paid doing about
Scientists pay. As my man. When you are being and scientists if you know what you many spontaneous time get a rule.
One man's on fire already.
Ganga. Fluency. I'm fluency. They have just paracord of content. This is Tangan. Okay, so this is my friend. This is now I'm kind Depending on tea. I was a spoon and Jay. That's the dead young Buddha got paid over my money. And the islands of tea. Hello, civil movement decree. You know what they cover, man. This is what the place, madam, and why would I eat? Okay, then I'm paying some pay. I ain't going to. I'm actually going to get the money. I'm just having to. I don't Johnny. Eh? I don't know to be sick of this police. Yeah. How will pass? I mean, no, please, I don't pass. Why come in Jalung? I'm any exactly everything. I can manage on the I can feel with a bunch of more trees.
in camera.
I never have a as we then stupid back and I do that some wine.
Idiot.
Amanda. As I'm Yagupi. C'est beau, as and Indian Kuman clients, I would see this and food. Sagam, if it's big, as now I have to take me. You look like no. So keep it up first stop or damn thing. I want to do have a mango. I'm mango. Let mango champion. I will pay.
Yeah.
I want to be mango. I got the bull. I will cruise a nice. Hey, Ramadan.
Ragwan. I ain't best.
izani mangacabi
Lapha akwazi
mawusikatela 120
kopa kanjani into ongakwazi
abathi abantu bakhuluma babambe ebhandeni and kunezinye izinto futhi abantu banokukhipha
ukhuluma into ongayanga
bayikhala
sikubuza-ke zwana la uyabuthi
bayirhawudini
stage awuthandi yamazi
atsha shakuqeda no stage yabona wena awazi stage umukhala
shisha ngathi yadlala ngishintsha amampela noma ngazi kwenzeka le nto
yamurhawudini wena
That's
mukhala abethi sihlahla daba wena bezuzikhakusuka naso ground floor lezo ngomtshela
wawufundele first floor but
uzitshela nini ukuthi kanjani
phela bili sawu 64 floor uphethe package uceda qasha mthini awasebenzi bani amba stepis side nama delivery 7 ngathi delivery 1 so u3 angazuthi cabanga kungayo ungasabeli ngasemsebenzini afom bafiki bheka asimamale abuthi zamani man kungena phansi ndikithi so wafita manje why woman na ngiyabo hayi ngizosho kabe khali ndawo ile picnic amara kiwa sibafanya ukwenza uthatha awenza wawenza ngathi mangaba ama ivalid yawe chacha kanjani athina kwaphula yethu menge fuphasi wena yakho no isibhedlela
ngikuthi nesibhedlela
hayi la khona khona hospital patient baba what
ati kulahlela khona jakiwe
emanel post
Manel post.
mawana bakhala ukudla futhi mawana batayifunda kakhulu doctrine eBhayibheli
Batalo yadina sombona.
abahlali by scientist wenziwa yini
umuntu wadlala
mthomdini mthonkosi usikeke poto cabanga tumbo ngikabe chuai ufake sikabe ukuthatha yini
umuntu akanzuza kasu akamihleke
awuna mashuru kambe inside uyazi
nake mtu wamakhatakata nitumuke mshebile phela nithotsetsakati nisuke ndimshaya ngisebisa no
Adina kimtshega mamlam.
okay okay
make it easy
Uchakileso awukazi usibile umgwebha ikhakileso etubi
SMC
osho wena ngabantu umgwebha ikhakileso
na
wona nomgwebha umphethu kazi
ubani mthekimzi bakuzibile west body camera lapha skandal
wambazana ngeke wadasika yakini wata
and those zama
izinani tume mara
utawa sokuyisa kamkile la zama
ngeke nani ngwana wakho
they don't pay the free pass last year zama ibona take it to Panyapa Ake ngabona.
Ah, mantume wena.
Yini ki?
Muka.
Irito wetsang wena? Panya. Wazing.
Wena kuba ndoda wena.
Nna tona ntshotsa.
Kopa ho phumulela
Ai bona, tsamo. Ngomso. Ngicela uthaka.
Amafomu phumane vele awuthi never hearing. Ekamela.
Manje shayithuka ungazongitshela ukuthi
Amame
shayithuka angifuni kwazi ukuthi uzothini manje futhi ungazongitshela ukuthi ngimshaya intamba indoda yazini uthap yazini ukutshela evari ukutshela ivari usinayo
manje nokutheni
nophila ukhrude futhi waphila
nokutheni yokazini ukuthi
akusefokolo izero ngihambe ngithekela abazali bami ecathulo nakusasa bayicathulo bazongicabanga ukuthi ngizokubhayisikili sakho mina senesithipha mina akaze ngashoda nganext ngibhayile oleli lami
isirhafeni kahle bafisa
ibhasuzwakho vele until go to fucking grave Satan
Ayisho ithi tayethe
baloba umjako nina
Malume rasa
into ephakelwayo
malume
umalume lefokofo wena nawe ngizongithinta sibona
masirasiyamo rasana
efokofo man
noma ngathi fofa
esefokofo man
ngandaba marile
emathukana nami man
shuwa le
mina sekhamereni ngihambani manje
ngisho hamba nekhamera
esukana nami wena
mame
hayi man ngifuna ukumamela wena ngimamela ikhamera
uyamamela ngikamanje
how are you now I'm good to go I'm good to studio boho nginathumela
ah wena titayela manje
thetitayela yamkhumbula imakeke
Wena so famous. Angisho ukuthi abantu abafamous.
yabona mangafike mnabhithi
Angisho ukuthi abantu abafamous.
sasaba balele elithumile singena next 2 men sasaba ba 2 men lesithini bona namhlanje kuwena sasurvive ntwana
abantu umuntu kwa covid
it's not niggas that are 2 men
betha icenter
Friday nobody amthuka phela
bayizigcina pha
akawenza next
yabona ukuthi cash ngayo cash
angwezana next
ngingabuthaza YouTube ngifuzile lapha mngwethu ngifuna ukuthaza zingazi ebamelani igedi uzukela le agoke zona Utelile
ama nginajelile
mali mina ngishila yazinaye mina nomi ngabona mfana ompeli ukhuluma sasuki kabla mezi kumele wenze kanye ngamazi
Mamehlathi.
lo kuyangizofela utheli futhi angisakhulumi ke lo mfeli ngawaza amehlo wami
Sikeli celebrate. Next time ngibona ngifuna ukuthoka.
do something like that do that ene bayakwata abanye ngisoyenza kanye why
Jome.
How's it?
That's yes.
yeah mama bega
Not knowing that you're putting bread on your table.
benji na plan selfini ku why wani na plan ole they going someone they palm side yes manaka
Matrix.
How are you taller?
mama nduba kabaki nje sadala kaze
It's much. Yeah, hey. Could be the product shows out. Sending out. Now I'm signing out. Shout out to you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for streaming. Yeah, we're gonna catch you up next time. Got this kitchen. Live stream. We got this kitchen. 1st of February.
Yeah, I'll stay tuned about one. Happy Monday.
Dango.
And happy Sunday.
Now was too late. That was too late.
Bye. Sash, bye. Here it goes.
I'm saying. Dango. Yeah, sure. That'd be good. Nandi.